What's up, YouTube? It's the coolest, the dopest, the most extravagant vet name that you're ever gonna know. Hayes the Shoe Vet. Hayes_TSV is where you can follow me on the app IG, so you know who it be. It's that time of the year, guys. You know everyone's doing their top 10 shoes of the year, of the decade, whatever. I'm probably not gonna do a full, countdown list like that. I just have way too many other vids to make on my plate right now. But I did want to finally unbox my personal shoe of this year. Before I do that though, guys, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, especially if you've been rocking with me, liking my content. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite pickup of 2019, or not even that. What was your favorite shoe of 2019? Even if you got an L on it, what was your favorite shoe of 2019? Okay. And with that, guys, man, let's just go ahead and get into this unboxing. It's a pizza. All right, now starting off with the box, you got your all-around orange box. You got half of the old school Nike sign on one side, and you got the other half on the other side, of course. So this is, as you can see, the blazer. Let's be real, I know a lot of people, go crazy over the waffles, and don't get me wrong, the waffles are a really dope shoe. Matter of fact, I know I'm going to go pick it up in 2020, so I don't know when, but to me, I just really love the blazer. It's so much more than the waffles, and I'll get into that as we go along in the video, okay? But the colorway of this blazer is black, white, and university blue. So this is one of the OG pairs of the blazers. They released in this color, as well as kind of like a yellow and navy blue kind of color with a little bit of red in there. Those are the OG Sakai blazers. Unfortunately, I did not get this for retail for $140. I paid a little bit extra for resale because I did take an L on the app, but I jumped on it very, very, very quick while prices were still pretty low. I think I paid just over 300, maybe like high 200, somewhere around in there. But yeah, as of right now though, I think they're going around like 400-ish, maybe 500 on my size, the size 9 last time I checked. It's a pull-out box, and when we pull out the box, we're greeted with the tissue paper that has Sakai in big font over it. Unwrap the tissue paper, and we're greeted with both shoes. Yes, and we'll take one of these bad boys out. Look at this, in pristine, crisp, dead stock condition still. Like I said, I have not worn these yet. I've been saving it for this video. It all comes down to this. But yeah, breaking this shoe down, man, the details are just gorgeous. So the entire upper of the shoe is made of really soft plush leather. Again, with these details, we're gonna start with the tongue. Of course, the theme of this shoe is, doubling up on everything. So you do have two tongues. The first tongue, it does have a Nike, it does have some Nike branding on the front, and then on the second tongue it's got Nike branding as well as Sakai down beneath it as well. On the back of each tongue you have Nike Sakai. All these fonts are in this Carolina blue color. The upper of the shoe, like I said, is made in yellow, alternates between either white, that dark navy blue, or Carolina blue. On the back of the heel, right in front of the heel tab, you do have Nike Sakai branding. On the side of the medium liner aspect, you have a double up of the Nike swooshes in a white color as well as a Carolina blue color. The main panel of the upper is in that nice dark navy blue that does have some contrast from the lining of the lace eyelets that's in that Carolina blue. The laces themselves, double lacing, so it is in a white as well as a navy blue color. I want to say there was an alternate pair in here. I think it's just another white. Nope, never mind. Your toe box is more of that soft plush leather. You do have a rubber midsole, and of course the midsole is doubled up. The only thing that I'd say I don't really like about this shoe is just the gluing. As soon as you open up this box, the glue just smacks you in the face. It reeks of glue stains. Reek. Your bottom is in a nice gum bottom. I'm not too crazy about gum bottoms though, but it is a real nice touch to this shoe. And then your insole, I'm not gonna take it out and remove it because it is a little sticky, so I'm not sure if it's supposed to be removed, but you can remove it. You just gotta unstick it. But there's nothing really special about it. It just says Nike Sakai on it, and then it's really, really flat and thin, so there really isn't too much extra cushioning on that too as well. Blazers in general aren't really the most comfortable sneaker. It's definitely not like an Air Force or not even close to an Ultra Boost though, but it's not too bad. Overall, I just really like the sleek and sexy silhouette of a Blazer. They are typically a pretty narrow shoe. They also run a little bit long. I sized down half the size of my Blazer, so I got this in a size 9, my true to size being a 9.5. For wide feet people, you probably will stick best to your true to size. I probably will go with that if you have a wide or large foot. Honestly, describing the shoe in one word, I think the word of the day would have to be binary for obvious reasons. I just really like the whole double take all on one shoe. I know there's a couple other shoes out there that do the double lacing system, such as, well, we just saw the Off-White and the Off-White Dunks and the Balenciaga track trainers. They had a double lacing system, the original ones. I want to say there's another one out there, but I can't think of it though. But I haven't really seen shoes that double up on like the entire shoe, you know what I mean? 2 lacing systems, 2 tongues, 2 midsoles, 2 swooshes, you know what I mean? I just think that's a real cool feature of it though. And yeah, and like I said, man, I've just always been a fan of Blazers. And like, I think the silhouette is very nice, sleek, and, well, sexy to me. Oh man, hate you calling shoes sexy. Jesus, get a life, bro. But yeah, this is my shoe of the year. I know you guys are probably gonna, you know, disagree, or you may agree. Again, just let me know in the comments. But ideally and primarily, I just want to know what your shoe of the year was. Like, even if you didn't cop it, you know what I mean? We all take L's. I know I have. I've taken plenty. Actually, mostly nothing but L's. So, you know, there's that. But yeah, guys, I can't wait to see you guys in 2020. I want to thank each and every one of you guys who's ever watched my videos, left a like, a comment, even if it was something, you know, criticizing that I haven't done. It only makes me better. I'm still pretty naive and young in this game, and I really can't wait to see where I can take this channel in 2020. I'm super excited about that. I do have a list of things that I'm looking to change as soon as the new year starts. So yeah, thank you for rocking with me, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, guys, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.